Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity Coin. Today we will take a look at the latest news and updates on Verasity Coin. And by the way, this is the project that's been getting a lot of attention lately, from massive token burns to real adoption in the advertising space. And there is a lot of happening behind the scene. Now before we begin, let me tell you where this information comes from. I've gathered updates directly from Verasity official website and Twitter highlights, reports on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, and a lot of community discussions on Reddit, and even coverage from outlets like Block News and Coinpedia. And therefore, this ensures you're getting a complete and fact-checked picture of where Verasity stands today. In short, Verasity is not just another token, it is building an ecosystem around proof-of-view technology, anti-ad fraud solutions, esports, and video monetization. But the real story now is the balance between major token burns designed to reduce supply and the looming risk of huge future unlocks that could really shake the market. Now, first of all, let's take a look at the big headline, that is the token burns. Verasity recently completed its first ever buyback and burn, taking about 174 million Verasity out of circulation. I'm talking about the VRA token, by the way, which is almost 1.8% of the supply. And this is, by the way, according to their official announcement. And now on the top of that, there is a big chatter in the community, and it is even highlighted on the Binance Square as well. Then there is a much larger 2 billion token burn connected to their proof-of-view ecosystem. So if it is true, that will be a major supply reduction. And investors are really keeping a close eye on how frequent these burns will be going forward. If we take a look at the partnerships and adoption, then on the adoption side, Verasity is really pushing hard. They're working in the UAE to launch the first blockchain-powered ad exchange and supply-side platform. A pretty big move in the region that's been very active in blockchain adoption. Meanwhile, the team expanded cross-chain functionality to BNB Smart Chain to lower fees and improve speed, and even added a fiat off-ramp through Paybis inside Verra Wallet. That means you can move in and out of VRA much more easily than ever before. Now let's take a look at some tokenomics concerns. Reports from CoinMarketCap's AI analysis stress that only about 10% of VRA's maximum supply is circulating. That means a huge portion of token is still locked, and future unlocks should lead to a significant dilution. Analysts at Block News and Coinpedia have called VRA one of the most undervalued crypto of 2025. And by the way, this is due to its tech stack and anti-fraud solutions. But the community, especially I'm talking about the Reddit community, remains cautious, and they're pointing to the lack of clarity on who controls the locked tokens, and especially when these tokens will hit the market. Now let's move on to the price and market status, and I'll also show you the charts as well, by the way. And in terms of numbers to CoinGecko, by the way, VRA is currently trading around $0.0011 with a daily volume of about $18 million. That's up from previous weeks, but remember, the coin is still down over 98% from its all-time high. That was somewhere between 8 to 10 cents back in late 2021 I'm talking about. And a lot of analysts, especially on CoinCodex, forecast a near-term range between $0.00136 and $0.0014. And by the way, it depends whether the momentum will be continued. But again, any big token unlock could send shockwaves through the price action. And now we are on the live 7 days time frame chart of Verasity, and this was the all-time high that I was talking about a few moments ago back in 2021. That was somewhere around 8.7 cents. Yes, very close to 9 cents. And after the breakout from this value, we had a nice rally, but you can see that we have a very, very long-term downtrend at this. Now, while moving to the downside here, and here, it has been breaking out different other bullish path moves as well. Like after breaking out this bad, we had a nice rally. After breaking out this channel, we had another nice rally. And now after the breakout from this channel, I'm expecting that soon it can make another attempt to break out this long-term downtrend and resistance. And once it will be able to break it out, then first it can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That is my analysis, by the way. And that technical target can be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $0.008. But the technical target, according to this falling wedge pattern breakout, If you're at the top of the bed, that can be somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description. I've shared it. Take care. Goodbye.